favorite place, and today we decided to do a paella in this place. Look at this. These guys are already done, and now I'm gonna do the onion and the pepper, and then I'm gonna put the squid and the rice and the broth.
Wow. Look like so.
Looks delicious, doesn't it? Okay, this will give it a nice fish flavor to start. Well, I guess you know by now that I love cooking. Well, you have to know that we opened a cooking channel on YouTube.
Yeah.
Because, well, I love cooking, Albert loves filming, so why not? We can get out. The onion. Okay, you have to lower. Can you lower the fire,
gas.
dear? Yeah. The trick to a nice paella is to do a good frying of these little things. One is supposed to do this very slowly. Yes, we opened a cooking channel. It's called Recetas Saludables y Sabrosas. And it's subtitled in English and Spanish. I don't speak in it. I just put music and I put all the subtitles. And I try to upload only easy recipes, in principle. And I give a lot of tips of healthy stuff that you can eat. But I think that people only watch the desserts. I don't know why I upload a spinach thing. The spinach thing that I have there, I have a spinach bake, which is delicious.
Spinach and
with potatoes
kale.
And what else do I put? And ham, although you can put bacon. But people really prefer desserts. So I guess I'll have to do desserts more.
Yeah, that's the typical.
Anyway, if you look at this channel, there will be something, I'm not telling what, that will make you smile. I'm not saying what.
Yeah. On the first one, without any kind of music, and just the real song of the apparels.
Of the appliances. But then my friend said, why don't you put some music? And I guess they were right. So in the first three, I didn't say anything. There was no music, just the silence. For me, cooking is therapeutical. So there's nothing I love more than cooking. You give me a new recipe and a pot, and I'm happy. And if I do this in this place, more than happy.
Yeah, it's completely different.
What I need now,
yeah.
here, sorry, I need the pork, the little pieces of pork. Can you go and get them in the fridge?
Okay, let me to take it. See you in just a second.
I'm grating some tomato.
We are back.
Yes, and I'm gonna give you a tip, which is from my mother's. And the tip is to put a little bit of sugar in the tomato. Not much, just a little bit. These are pieces of pork ribs. And some people put sausages. I don't put sausages. I just put this. And then squid. It must be fresh. All this has to be fresh. I bought it today. And these guys were fresh too. These guys. I don't know how you call them in English. We call them escamarlans.
Like a big prawn. Family of the lobsters.
Wow, what a smell! Well, as I said in our channel, we upload in theory very healthy stuff, but sometimes not so healthy. A little bit of everything, but in theory healthy. I want to include one or two not so healthy ones, like croquetas. Croquetas are not very healthy, but I'm considered the queen of croquetas, aren't I? And I want to upload some nice croquetas. They are very Spanish tapa. Okay, I'm gonna put the rice. I'm gonna put 3 rations. This is 1 ration. It's supposed to stir fry for 3 minutes or so.
I recommend you put 3 or 4 maybe.
Yeah, but then it has to be the amount that has to be. If there's too much rice and the pot is not big enough, then you will be just boiling it. You cannot put tons and tons of rice, dear.
Oh, but I am afraid I am going to eat a couple of plates.
No, no,
No?
don't be afraid. He's always afraid like that. You see, I'm stir frying the rice. I'm gonna put some more salt in a minute. I forgot 2 things when I came here. I forgot a yellow coloring.
The yellow submarine.
And I forgot the paprika. It will be a pity because it won't be a yellow paella. It will be a white paella. Can you handle it, Albert? Will it be a problem?
No.
Okay. Now I've got some very, very hot broth, which I'm gonna put just put here, and we have to wait for 25 minutes. And if I need some more broth, I haven't got any more, so I'm gonna put water if I need more. The last 5 minutes I'm gonna cover it, but in theory it has to be uncovered like this. And this, just like this, it's supposed to refresh it a little.
Okay.
And well, 25 minutes.
Well,
Are you hungry?
we must wait.
Are you hungry?
Yes, a lot.
Well, here we are. Look at this.
Oh my god.
It tastes...
Looks amazing, guys.
I don't know what it tastes like, but it smells heavenly.
Look.
I hope you try it one day. And please leave a comment and give us a like if you like the video. And see you next time. We're going to eat now. It's 4 o'clock.
It's a
Albert is very hungry.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I hope you like, and see you in a few minutes, or maybe later.
Maybe later. One doesn't know what will happen in these places.
Okay.
Okay. See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.
There's a big stone. Be careful. No, you're in the middle of the stone.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Go back up. Nothing like a defender.